Mom, my lunch money.
What about it?
It was here, right here, on the table.
What do you mean?
I put it here last night, £2.50, for my lunch today. Are you sure? Yes, I put it right there, under my water bottle.
That is strange.
Someone took it, Mum.
No, maybe it fell. Let's look on the floor.
It's not here, Mum. It's not on the floor.
Wait, Sam. Sam, my bag.
What? What?
I had a £10 note in here yesterday evening. I put it in this pocket. It's not here.
Mom? Where did the money go?
I don't know, Sam.
Where is Lily?
Room.
Again?
Always.
Lily, come down. Dinner.
Not hungry.
Not hungry again?
That is what she says every time.
She eats biscuits in her room.
What?
I saw her take the biscuit tin upstairs on Saturday. She didn't bring it back.
Is she eating in her room?
I think so.
Lily, come down, please, now. What is that sound?
She has been watching funny videos or playing something every evening.
On her tablet?
That is what I thought.
You thought?
She hasn't touched her tablet in 3 weeks. I found it on the desk, not charging.
Then what is she watching things on?
I don't know.
Lily, let's go outside. Let's play football.
I'm busy.
You have been busy for 3 weeks.
I'm tired.
Tired of what?
Just tired. Dad, please.
Come on, fresh air. 5 minutes.
No, thank you.
What is she doing in there? She laughed.
What?
When I was walking away from her door, she laughed. A small laugh. Like when she watches something funny on her phone.
But she doesn't have a phone.
No. She doesn't.
Dad, I need to tell you something.
What is it?
It's about Lily.
What about Lily? I don't want her to get angry at me.
Sam, tell us. It's okay.
She has something in her room. I saw it last week when she didn't close her door all the way.
What did you see?
A phone, an old one, small and black, with a cracked screen.
Are you sure it was a phone?
I know what a phone looks like, Dad. Where did she get a phone?
That is the question.
Sam's lunch money. Monday, £2.50. My £10. Wednesday. Oliver's £2 from the kitchen counter. Friday.
What are you doing?
Adding things up.
What things?
This week, money went missing 3 times from different places.
£2.50, £10, £2.
£14.50 in 1 week.
Do you think it was?
I don't know.
Sarah.
I don't know, Oliver. I don't want to say it before I am sure.
She wanted a phone.
I said maybe next year. When she is older.
And then the money started disappearing.
Yes.
What do we do?
Tonight. We find out the truth tonight. There it is. Lily.
Mom, I was just...
Lily.
It's not. I wasn't.
Lily. Stop. Give me the phone. Mom, please. Lily. Give me the phone. This is not your phone.
I know.
This is old. This is a used phone.
Yes.
Where did you get this, Lily? Mom, I'm sorry. Where did you get this phone? I bought it. You bought it?
Yes.
With what money? Lily, with what money?
I saved it.
From where?
From around the house.
Around the house. From the kitchen table? From my bag? From Sam's school money?
Yes. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
How long?
What?
How long have you been taking money from this family?
3 weeks?
3 weeks. £14.50, Lily. I counted it. £14.50. Over 3 weeks.
How did you know? Because I noticed. Because Sam noticed his lunch money was gone and he didn't know why. Because I opened my bag and my money wasn't there. You took money from your little brother's school bag, Lily. He is 5 years old. He didn't have money for his lunch.
I know, I'm sorry.
Do you know what Sam told his teacher? He said he must have lost it. He thought it was his fault. He was embarrassed, Lily. He felt bad about himself because of you.
I didn't think about that.
You didn't think. That is the problem. You didn't think about Sam.
You didn't think about me. You didn't think about this family. You only thought about what you wanted.
You looked me in the eyes every day for 3 weeks. You sat at the dinner table with us. You had breakfast with us. You smiled at us. And every day you were hiding this. That is not a small mistake, Lily. That is lying. Every single day.
Tell me why.
What?
Tell me the real reason. Not just I wanted a phone. The real reason.
Everyone at school has one.
I know.
Zara has one. And Mia. And both the twins. Even little ones in year 4 have them now.
You felt left out.
I asked you in September, and you said next year. And then October came, and November. And everyone still had one, and I still didn't.
So you stopped asking.
You always said no.
I said not yet.
It felt like no. I saw the old phone in a charity shop. £40. Just £40. I thought, if I save a little each week. I know it was wrong. I knew it when I took the first pound from the table. I knew it. But I kept telling myself it was just £1, just small money. Nobody will notice.
But they did notice.
Yes, they did.
Lily, when you felt left out at lunch, why didn't you tell me?
Because I thought you would say just ignore them. Or friends are not about phones. Or be grateful for what you have.
Is that what you expected me to say?
Yes.
Maybe I would have said some of those things. I don't know. But I would also have listened, really listened, and maybe we could have found a way together.
What way?
I don't know. Maybe earn it. Maybe save pocket money the right way. Maybe find a second-hand one together. But we would have talked about it. Instead, you disappeared. You took our money, and you sat alone in your room for 3 weeks.
I know.
Were you happy in your room with the phone?
At first, yes.
And then?
Then it got lonely. It was funny for a few days. But then I felt bad. Every night when I came down for water and I saw Sam sleeping, I felt really bad.
Lily, I'm not going to shout, but I want you to hear something. I work 5 days a week. Your mom works. We pay for this house. We pay for your school. We pay for food, for clothes, for your tablet that you already have.
I know, Dad.
We don't always have extra. And when money goes missing from this house, it creates problems, real problems. What you did was stealing, Lily. I know that is a hard word, but it is the right word. Taking money that is not yours, that is stealing. Even from family.
I'm ashamed.
Good. That feeling is important. That feeling is telling you something.
That I did something wrong.
Yes.
And that feeling will help you not do it again.
Lily, you are a good person. You made a very bad choice. Those are two different things. Good people make bad choices sometimes. What matters is what you do next.
Why are your eyes red? I cried last night. Why?
Sam, I need to tell you something. What? Your lunch money, last Monday, I took it. You took it? Yes.
That was my lunch money. I know.
I told my teacher I lost it.
She looked at me like I was careless.
I know, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, Sam.
Why did you take it? I was saving money to buy an old phone. I took small amounts from different places, from Mum's bag too, and from the kitchen table. That was wrong. Yes, it was. You should have asked Mum.
I know. She doesn't always say no.
No, she doesn't.
I accept you're sorry.
Really?
Yes, but you have to give me back £2.50.
Okay.
And Mum's £10. We will sort all of that out.
Was it worth it?
No.
For 3 weeks I had a phone, but I also had a secret.
And the secret was heavier than the phone.
That is a very wise thing to say.
I made a plan. I can pay everyone back in 4 weeks.
This is good, Lily. This is a very good start.
Are you going to eat with us now? Every night? Yes. Good. It was boring without you.
How was school today?
Actually, really nice. I sat with Emma from my art class. The secret was heavier than the phone.
Good night, Lily.
Good night, Dad. Thank you for not shouting.